Where'd he go? Yeah? He's gonna pop up. There he is. Wow. I didn't get a picture. That's okay.
Dolphins are very smart animals, and in different parts of the world, they've discovered different ways of fishing. So similar to us, how we are different in different parts of the world, we have different cultures, different foods and whatnot. Our dolphins have different ways of hunting. Around here, our dolphins like to hit fish. If they hit a fish, kind of stun it, knock it out, they can just go up and swallow it whole. They don't have to worry about catching it. So sometimes